Okay, guys, welcome to this public speaking platform, and I wish you all the best so that you can give your best effort today. So, who is going to be the first speaker? Guys, our first speaker will be Debashish Chatterjee.
Music means not the traditional music. Here, we consider the music of life, right? Just if we eliminate in and put the off, then my talk will be clear to everybody. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share my views on this point, and I'd like to show my gratitude to our mentor, SK sir, and I would like to greet you.
Talent, but applying the talent in practical life. And sir, I'm trying again. Sorry, practical life and getting relaxation and reduction of stress is called music. No music means no life. According to this topic, I have to say what music I find in my life. So before this, I am playing a musical story of a girl, how she is controlling her mind and making balance with her surrounding and in presence of lots of problems. So that's also that is the mind game, and
that find that what you want to do, okay, not what you will be in your life. I can see that in my previous life also, see that a lot of person, they have the mindset they will be like something, they will be like the engineer, they will be like the scientist, they want to be the teacher, like that different thing, but they don't know what they are truly want to do from their own heart, because our everyone life is a totally different. I can see that now society also, a lot of person can do the different job in their life, but they are hating their job, but also they can do for earning money, for getting money, like that, but they forget their clear purpose in their life. So I find my own music, it's mean that what music is going inside me, what I am going to do in my heart always want, I feel awesome what I am going to do. Suppose I tell that one of the great example, so in the world also we all know that the KFC, so KFC CEO is that Colonel Sanders, so he worked the 60 years at the hotel. So after that, he also has a good talent to make the chicken recipe, but he also make it. When he is making it, he gave his best. He feel like to make it, but he was selling it the different area in his life.
But I have never diverted, because I know while I am maintaining honesty, I am getting peace and I am accepting, and always I am doing better for others. So maintaining up all these kind of things in the several years, I have got an opportunity to work with the government of Odisha. That is a very big kind of project. But in that project, many government people are 4-5 departments were associated, and they were getting money from different sources. Because of my honesty, they felt they feel very dangerous situation. But despite of that, I have maintained honesty and time bound, and I have never failed any kind of this situation and never harm to any people.
Music occupied a very important role in my life. Without music, we can't imagine our life. Music has different for a different type of people. It is depend upon age or education or taste. But here music is not a sangeet. Here music is a talent, ability or aptitude. Outstanding aptitude to achieve something. Everyone has own talent. And in this world, no, everyone is a unique. It seems to something is worthless, but trust me, everyone has a unique talent. We
God or by parental or society or inspired from society. I find my music. I find my music in my life. Voluntary is my music. Voluntary is my music. When we do something because it gives me pleasure and satisfaction. When we do something for the needy, at that time we feel very happy. So there was a saying. There was a saying: the more is the more we give, the happier we feel. Volunteering increases our confidence.
So maybe it is possible that whatever you are earning is very different. Whatever your talent, it is very different. So I learn in my life that talent is not that only what you get. Talent is also that what you are giving to others. I will give you a very small example. There was one taxi driver. He was always for a small, like you can say, he will take a 1 hour ride. So that a place, and he also decorated his taxi. He put Bisleri bottles. He put
in my life. When you are happy, you enjoy the music, and when you are sad, you understand the lyrics. And I like music, and I like listening to music, and I like to listening music when I before a practice. And as for me, I like listening music, and uh, I like music, and a good thing in music, if you are hits you feel no pain. And musics are really important in our life. And when you are alone, when you are feel alone, you just listening music, and according to me, as for me, different people like different listening music. And there some people like rock, some people like different music. And
But some people can't find it their talent because they don't mm, mm, spending the on time too much. So I think it is the main thing. So mm, so I think long period I find my talent. I mm, I singing. So I'm listening the music since childhood. But I this lockdown period I find my mm, singing level. Mm, because I don't try so I can't try to um, go 6 months ago. So I will not try to singing level.